For more than 50 years, Pusateri's has set the standard for living and eating well in Toronto. Their 5 locations and now a thriving e-commerce store with over 5,000 products continue to deliver a world-class experience running on NetSuite e-commerce and Mailchimp. In the world of e-commerce, abandoned shopping carts can be a significant challenge for businesses. But at SyncApps, we thrive on solving such workflows for our subscribers. Pusateri's has proudly served the community through convenient locations across the Greater Toronto area. But that's not where their commitment ends. They evolved to meet the changing needs of valued customers by offering the convenience of online grocery shopping. Now let's see how they leveraged e-commerce to turn abandoned carts into a significant revenue boost for their business. NetSuite e-commerce and Mailchimp can boost sales, win back customers, and make your team happy. Let's listen to the experts at SyncApps and Pusateri's.
Really just looking for new sales orders that come in with the same email address associated to it, and that's within 3 days. And that's how we link it back to this email address, because there's no other, I don't think we were able to find another way of specifically linking, based on this click.
Right.
You didn't, we're not being able to track the click, at least to our knowledge, we're not tracking the click returning a sale. We're just saying, okay, they did click. And then within 3 days, there was also a purchase using the same email address. Therefore, we're attributing it to this email.
If you put these you could tag them in Mailchimp and then kick off an automation, or you could put them in a group and then that would kick off an automation. But I think it's better just to tag them. That's probably the easiest way in Mailchimp, is to tag these records and then send them an abandoned cart, link, come back and grab your items.
Let's get started with the integration process. First, in step 1 of the setup, choose specific saved searches as the method you use to integrate. Then provide the saved search internal ID, type, in which Mailchimp group or tag you would like this specific NetSuite saved search to be synced to. In this case, we want to use a transaction saved search to give us all those who have greater than $0 in their shopping cart in NetSuite to a Mailchimp tag to kick off our automations in Mailchimp. You can add additional saved searches in this step if needed to sync contacts or other types of customers. Remember to press Next to move to step 2. Once you've confirmed the correct Mailchimp audience in step 2 of the setup process, and you've selected tags as the segmentation method in Mailchimp, you are all set. Hit Save, then reset sync process and sync now. Once the synchronization is finished, Mailchimp will create a tag with the same name as you have input in step 1 for the saved search used. This tag will be associated with the corresponding records, in this case, those who abandoned their NetSuite shopping cart. Most businesses are losing 69% of sales with their e-commerce sites due to abandoned carts. That is a serious number if you are running a NetSuite e-commerce site today. There is hope. If you are using NetSuite e-commerce and Mailchimp, then implementing an abandoned cart series in tandem with SyncApps will drive more sales and boost your bottom line. Stop leaving money on the table today. When your team is looking to integrate NetSuite e-commerce and Mailchimp, be sure to check out SyncApps in your vendor selection process. Head to Cazoomi.com today to get started.